All right, welcome back to another live stream, everybody. We're going to wait till everybody gets in here. First time doing a morning live, so welcome. I know Mark's already on it. Hopefully you're doing good, Mark, over in the Netherlands. So we're getting some good insight, good information here on SHIB. Business Insider just put out an article. Coin Trust just put out one. Hey, Saeed, how you doing? Welcome back, man. Cointelegraph just put out a nice article. Look at all these articles recently, guys. 12 minutes ago, Business Insider. I haven't had a chance to. I haven't had a chance to get in to read this, but we're going to read them together and check out what's going on. So, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik destroys 90% of his Shiba Inu holdings, almost half the coin circulation. Over 40% of all coins in circulation. Said he plans to donate the remaining 10%. We talked about this last night too, guys. If you didn't watch the stream from last night, make sure you go back, check that out. Biggest stream we had, over 22,000 people were in here. That was awesome, and thank you. So grateful for that. Really appreciate it. Mark, what's going on? Grateful, happy to be able to join. Me too, man. Glad you're back. I'm doing well this morning. How are you? What time is it in the Netherlands? Afternoon? You guys like 5-6 hours ahead of us on the East Coast here in the States? Hey, Trim, coming in from England. How you doing, man? Will, good morning. How are you? Previously donated Shiba Inu coins worth $1 billion to a COVID-19 relief. Of course, we knew that. Burning and donating the coins was the only option. He'd previously been given 50% of all SHIB by coin creators. It was the only way to avoid his transactions in Shiba Inu being interpreted as actions or indicators on his part, he said. Oh, this is a different quote. I haven't read this part of it yet. Hey, Jay Gam. Good morning. How you doing? Good morning from Rhode Island. Rhode Island. I was there a few years ago. Providence, really cool town, man. Feel like we never left. Yeah, I know, man. We were on late last night and right back at it, right? I had the best lobster I've ever eaten, Jay Gam, in Rhode Island. Great seafood up there. I don't want to be a locus of power of a kind. Better to just print the coins into the hands of the worthy charity directly through, though do talk to them first. Okay, so I don't think he's listed the charity that the remaining 10% of the tokens will go to. I haven't seen anything on that front yet. Still waiting some news on ShibaSwap too, guys. Haven't heard anything just yet, but looking at SHIB's Twitter account, they did put out some interesting insight here a little bit earlier. So some people have approached us to ask if there's any way to donate something to the development team. Audits, hosts, domains, hiring people has a high cost that comes out of pocket now. You can voluntarily contribute to this address. So this is interesting, huh? You can voluntarily contribute to SHIB using this address here. All right, let's head back over to this article. Again, guys, this is Business Insider 15 minutes ago putting out a big-time article here. So SHIB's staying in the news. You know, we talked about how important that would be for this token. Still a top 30 market cap, sitting at 28, which is great. Okay, coin was up. Okay, yeah, this was yesterday, right? SHIB's a small Dogecoin inspired token. I like that. Dogecoin inspired. Its website describes it as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. That's exactly what we're doing right now, right? So we're living up to SHIB's website and their expectation of spontaneous community building. This has been pretty spontaneous. We just started about a week ago. So Binance's Indian platform listed the SHIB coin late last week. Yeah, that was a big one, right? And then the Worix also, which is the biggest place to buy cryptocurrency in India, they added SHIB too. So I had somebody from India tell me that 3 different places this past week had added SHIB or SHIB. I don't know which one it is, tomato, tomato. I always go back and forth. But 3 different exchanges have added the token this past week. So that's great. And again, India, guys, second biggest population in the world. We're talking about 1.38 billion people, right? You take them and China, that's half the world's population, just as a random tidbit. Jay Gam, what's going on? We'll trade SHIB anytime. We'll trade lobster for SHIB anytime. Dude, I might have to take you up on that, man. That lobster's pretty dang good. Buterin said he has not yet decided which charity. Yeah, that's what I thought. He hasn't decided which charity for the 10%. Haven't heard anything on that front yet. Trevor, good morning, man. Welcome back. Crypto Relief, crypto-based charity fund, is set up by Sandeep Nawal, co-founder of Ethereum platform Polygon. Hey, look at that. Another shout out for Sandeep Nawal, one of our favorites. The co-founder of Polygon, to support India's and its fight against deadly wave of COVID. You know, you wonder if Sandeep got together, again, I talked about this on the channel, and again, I can't like draw the line exactly in the sand here and say that, you know, what we were talking about is exactly how it went down, but, you know, Sandeep and Vitalik obviously know each other, okay? Sandeep is, you know, co-founder of Polygon, which is an Ethereum-based platform. Ethereum, of course, invented, ran by Vitalik Buterin. There's definitely a connection there, okay, in the crypto space. So you wonder if Sandeep went to Vitalik and said, hey, we got to do something about this Shiba Inu token. They've got a really big community, a really big, you know, growing population. You know, we have to make sure we can keep this thing going. I mean, did that happen? We don't have a crystal ball, but I wouldn't be surprised, right? Wouldn't shock me. I've actually been impressed by how the dog token communities have treated the recent donations. This is a really good quote. We read this one last night, but anybody who's new and didn't see this, plenty of dog people have shown their generosity and their willingness to not just focus on their own profits, but also be interested in making the world as a whole better. You know, I thought this was really important too. Early on last week, we talked about all the negativity that was coming out, you know, with VB doing what he did, and we were always, you know, on this stream at least, very positive, and we thought it was going to bring more and more people to the space. And I think we're starting to see that a little bit this week and late last week. You know, you just open this token up to so many more people, right? And then we've seen the 3 exchanges in India add it. So I thought all in all, maybe in the short term, it would be a minor setback, just setting up a major comeback. So sometimes you got to take a step back before you take 10 steps forward. So that's kind of what I thought with this. Mark, fist pound right back at you, brother. Jake, I think now it's a good time to invest or wait another. Well, I'm sorry, Jack, not Jake. Jack, when it got down to 12 there, that was kind of out of character for it. We had some support down at the 115, or I'm sorry, the 15 line. So when it dipped below that, at least in the short term here, that's kind of been an anomaly. So I would say when it gets down by the 15 line, you've got a longer track record of that being a nice support line. Actually, while we're talking about that, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. We'll pull that up. Make sure you guys like the stream up. Would appreciate it. There's only a few in here this morning. I didn't think we'd have a huge number back with us. Of course, you know, the later night streams usually do better, but had a little bit of time this morning, so wanted to jump on and hang out with you guys for a few. Good morning, Richard. Welcome back, man. Tris, how you doing? History in the making. I hear you, brother. Lazar, welcome. Hanging out in England as well. Nice. Elliot, good morning, everyone. How you doing? All right, let's take a look at the 1 day here on Shiba Inu. So back to trading sideways again, guys, on the 1 day. Okay, this is pretty nice, and it's actually, you know, slowly rising here, slowly going up here, right? Seeing a nice slow rise. If we can continue this throughout the day, this would be really nice. Just a nice slow trend upwards. Really, what we're trying to get here is some stability, right? Once you get some stability with a coin or token, you know, it kind of once it levels off, you can kind of feel better about it, right? You definitely feel better about it. When you see this big fluctuation, right, this big dip and big rise, it's tough to keep your emotions in check, right? But when you see this slow, steady rise, it's nice. Sitting at number 27 market cap right now. Morning, Armand. Welcome back. Welcome, man. No problem, Mark. Yeah, I had a few minutes, so figured I'd hop on, go live for a little bit. Yeah, no problem. All right, what do we got? All-time high, or I'm sorry, the 24-hour high, 1953, still on that low, which you were referring to, Jack, that low of 12. See here, let me show you this, Jack. If we go out to the 7 day, okay, it's kind of an anomaly when it dipped down that low. If you take a look at the week chart, okay, see here's the week chart. So it got down way here, but this was the lowest point by far, right? Otherwise, we had a lot of support here at the 1.5 levels. So here you go, 1.5, 1.6, 1.5, right? 1615. So there's a longer, um, you know, there's more data points that show us we've got support at 1.5 than, we're tracing back to this 1.12. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. And here, even again, after we bounced off the 1.2, what do we come back to? We bounce back off this 1.5 level. So in my opinion, I think we're sitting back back on that as a low point, that 1.5 level. But again, I mean, things change rapidly, right? We didn't think we'd dip down here yesterday. When we did, I added more to my position. I know a lot of other people did too. Elliot, there's something powerful in this community, and I am glad for being a part of it. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here, and I appreciate it. All right, let's go check out some other coins too. Check out the top 25, see what's going on. Of course, the big story, Bitcoin continues to fall. It's going to be interesting. I think you're hearing a lot of the big names, whether it be Elon or, I listened to a few things from Mark Cuban this morning talking about how important these proof of stake coins are going to be in the future, right? Being more friendly on the environment in terms of the mining process. So it's going to be interesting. I think a lot of people are rotating out of Bitcoin right now and heading into things like Cardano, which is a proof of stake, right? Also, one I'm going to start looking into, guys, is Polkadot. I've yet to invest in Polkadot, but I know a lot of people are talking about it. It was one that Mark Cuban talked about today too, when I listened to a little clip. So I'm hearing more and more people in the space talk about it. So it's definitely something that's on my radar, and I got to look into it a little bit more. But as you all know, Chainlink, one of my favorites, under 40 right now. In my opinion, I think that's a great buy. I think Chainlink, which has already been up over 50, not too long ago actually, too. I think I've heard this price target and I agree with it. A price target of $100 on Chainlink by the end of this bull run, by the end of the year, could be possible. I mean, you see the movement here. Look at the 1 year. It's had some great movement. So we're talking what, 10 days ago, this was up over $52, guys. It was setting all-time highs. So if you're interested in Chainlink, if now's a nice time to get in on the dip right now, below 40. This is a good spot for Chainlink. And if you're not familiar with Link, it's an Ethereum-based token. It's been around for a while too. It's a decentralized network, allows users to become node operators. They earn revenue by running critical data, and which is required for this blockchain success. Due to the integration of off-chain data, Chainlink has attracted the attention of numerous trusted data providers, including Brave New Coin, Alpha Vantage. So it's really a good hub for new and upcoming coins. In terms of where you can buy it, a few places here. Kraken, Gate.io, right? So good spot on Chainlink right now. Let's see here. Juan, very new to crypto. So far, I've been learning to buy these dips instead of selling. I'm very excited to be part of this community holding Shiba Coin. That's great, Juan. Welcome in, man. Welcome to the community. And you are right in saying that you should be buying those dips. That's good. That's great. All right, let's go back here. Check out what else is going on our coin market cap. Solana is another one. Oh, look at Polygon, guys. Polygon's up and running today. A lot of things red, but look at Polygon in the green. Up to number 17 in market cap, guys. So I talked about Polygon on this stream about a week ago. Polygon was ranked 34 in market cap. That means it's jumped 17 spots since we started talking about Polygon. It's number 17 right now, Matic. Okay, Sandeep Nawal, of course, has been in the news. He's attached to Polygon. I liked it before we even got all the news, right, related to it. So really one to watch in Polygon. I got in at 88 cents on this this token, and happy I did. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody in. Anybody new, make sure you guys smash the like button. That would be super appreciative. I would be super appreciative, rather. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Shiba sitting in that 27 spot. Gotta love it. Top 30 coins still. Talk about Polkadot loading up right now. Minimum average 25 gives you 8% interest in. Uh, Mark, what's up, brother? Let's talk about Polkadot. Yeah, you know what? I wish I could talk about it more in depth, but we could pull it up and talk about it surface level. I've got to do some more research on it, but man, I'm really liking what it's doing, and I'm hearing a lot of great things. It's down right now too, but yeah, sure, we could jump over to Polkadot real quick. I'm going to go back over and look at some of these other articles here in a minute too. We're getting a lot of positive press out on SHIB right now. Okay, Polkadot is down right now, guys. Might be a good time to hop in on the dip here. Let's read a little bit about Polkadot. And I know they're proof of stake, which that's something I love, right? We talked about that on the channel many times. So let's go down here, and what makes Polkadot unique? It's a shared multi-chain network, meaning it could process many transactions on several chains in parallel, which is really a benefit, right? You know, some of the biggest issues with these older forms of crypto is the amount of time that it takes to process, right, transactions. So, you know, custom blockchains are quick and easy to develop through the substrate framework and can be connected to Polkadot's network within minutes, which is great. The network is also highly flexible and adaptive, allowing the sharing of information and functionality between participants similar to apps on the smartphone. Polkadot can be automatically upgraded with the need for a fork in order to implement new features or remove bugs. The network has a highly sophisticated user-driven governance system that also helps to secure it. So related pages, we got Cosmos, Ethereum, and is an Ethereum-based token. Currently has 1 billion tokens. Polkadot's mass interoperability through a set of common validators helps to secure its multiple chains and allows them to scale their transactions by spreading their data across many parachains. Right. Top exchanges for Polkadot, go to Binance, HBTC, Hubai Global. Interesting. Yeah, we got to do some more digging on this, but this is the big one, guys. The network uses nominated proof of stake mechanism to select validators and nominators, so it's proof of stake. Anything proof of stake right now is fantastic. Heard Mark Cuban talking about it. Elon was referring to the POS or proof of stake network, right? In terms of proof of stake networks, the world's largest proof of stake network, anybody know what it is? I mentioned it last night in chat. Trivia question. What's the largest proof of stake network right now? What's the largest proof of stake network right now? Which coin? Which token? Drop it in chat if you know, if you remember from last night. If I'll give you guys a minute. If you can't find it or if you can't remember it, I'll drop it in there. But what's the largest POS network right now? Cardano. Mark remembers. Matic. Yes. Yes. You guys got it. You guys got it. Got an A on the exam. Armand. Blessed. Yeah, so am I, man. We all are. Wasn't here either. Ah, nice. Wasn't here. Nice. Okay, let's head back. Let's take a look at, oh, wasn't here. That's okay, RL. You can go back and listen to the stream, but you're here right now, too. That's great. So you're here right now. Make sure you guys like up the stream, too, while you're coming in, on your way in. Mark, yeah, still new. Yeah, awesome, brother. Yeah, super informed. I know you are, Mark. I know you're ahead of the game. That's awesome. Going from 27 to top 10 by the end of the year. That would be awesome, Armand. We've been as high as what, 16? I think we've been as high as 16 on the market cap. So it's not out of the ordinary. Happy to take the A. Nice. All right, let's go back and okay, so if you guys are just checking in, we've gotten some great news here coming out. Of course, we talked about this last night. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik destroys 90% of his SHIB, almost half the coin circulation, and you know, burning this will certainly help the long-term efforts of SHIB. But what I really like about this is Markets Insider. You know, people are you know, definitely accustomed to reading these big articles, these big press outlets. So let's go back because I knew there were some other articles that came out just recently. Okay, so let me go back and get off Bing here for a second. Go back to Google News. Okay, let's go Shiba Inu. Fire over to news. Work keeps getting in the way of my sheep. Hear you, brother. Sort by date real quick here. So there's the Market Insider article we just pulled up, but look at this. Cointelegraph, 41 minutes ago. All hail the SHIB, rise of Dogecoin pretenders. Let's check this out. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's see. Value of each token will be up 41% in theory. Okay, with this burn. That's great, Mark. Up 41%. Wow, that's a great stat. I appreciate you dropping that in there, man. That's awesome. That's great news. Everything's going proof of stake, proof of work detrimental to the environment. Exactly, Armand. Exactly, man. I think so too. I think so too. I think Bitcoin will always be, have a place. I look at Bitcoin as digital gold, right? It's like a stored value. It's just a place to store value that eventually I think will stabilize. Once everything's mined, because Bitcoin, I think it's going to be what till like 2040 until it's completely mined or something like that. Once that happens, it'll probably stabilize a bit and just be a nice stored value place. It'll be digital gold, right? But I think these proof of stake coins really have a chance to change the world, right? You think about Cardano, what it's doing in other countries right now that, their currencies aren't the strongest, right? And, people are investing into Cardano because of the bright future that it has, right? And the proof of stake network. Okay, let's check this out. Shiba Inu has been the talk of the cryptoverse and mainstream media recently. It's a meme coin. Okay, we know that. Coin market cap, okay, we know that. Token has been listed on most of the major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, we know that. Binance's Indian counterpart, WazirX, it is also briefly broken into the top 20. There it is. Yeah, it did briefly break into the top 20. We just talked about that, didn't we? I think it was number 16 when it broke the top 20. Currently has dropped off the ranks with a market cap of over 6 billion. Where is our market cap right now? I think we're still over 6 billion, aren't we? 6.4, so we're closing in on 6.5, up almost 4% today, guys. So early on the May, SHIB's market capitalization hit an all-time high, so it got up as high as 13.5 billion. So if we take that 13.5 billion number right now, okay, that would situate us at number 15. If we got up to that 13.5 again, we'd be a 15 in market cap. Just for a measured there. Look at Polygon, though. Man, I love this. Love Polygon. I'm going to be talking a lot more about Polygon, too, on the stream and on the channel. I'm going to be putting out some videos on both Cardano. I did put one out yesterday on Cardano. Could Cardano hit a massive price target of $22 by 2022? Make sure you check out that video if you haven't already. Go over on my channel and check that out. I think Cardano's got a huge, huge future, ADA. All right, so launched in August 2020. Okay, let's see. Anything else we're missing here? Yeah, we know 1 quadrillion tokens were minted, 50% of which was locked up in Uniswap with the keys thrown away. Other half was sent to Ethereum co-founder, which obviously he burned 90% now, which they might be talking about here. However, Buterin gave away his 1 billion worth of shit. Okay, and then let's see if they get into even the more specifics. They might not even have got that story yet. Let's see. That's a way to quickly learn about the blockchain. Okay. Doge 1 going to the moon. Has a unique cultural symbol. Yeah, I think so too. I think Shiba Inu's now could be a cultural symbol as well, right? There's a Bitcoin ticker, guys. 44,000 right now. Eric K, I've never had so much fun buying crypto as I've had with SHIB. It's fun buying 7 million at a time. It is, Eric. Yeah. Well, welcome to the stream too, man. Make sure you guys like it up so this gets pushed out on the algorithm. I'm not going to be able to hang out for a real long time. I usually go about 2 hours on my night streams, but be able to hang out for a little bit longer here. Figured why not come on and hang out with you guys for a little bit. But while you're here, like this thing up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome. Really appreciate it. Go ahead and smash the like button. Vishal, what's the realistic price prediction for Shiba since half of its supply is gone? Well, Mark just dropped in there that, the value of each token should go up by 41% in theory, which we're going to have to see how that shakes out mathematically, but man, that's great. Vishal, also, you can go to cryptoscenarios.com and run a bunch of different scenarios. Thanks to Mark on that one again. Mark brought that to my attention. Cryptoscenarios.com, and you can kind of run your own math problems and see, what things would be priced if it hits certain market caps, if it gets to a certain price. Super, super cool. You can even insert the circulating supply in there as well. which you can find all your info that you need to insert over on Crypto Scenarios right here on CoinMarketCap. So you've got your circulating supply, you've got everything you need to put in there. You're welcome, Eric. You're welcome. Thank you for being here, brother. No problem, Vishal. You're welcome. While SHIB is currently the most talked about dog-themed coin, okay. One of the other coins from the same developer team as SHIB is called Leash. This coin has a limited total supply. Okay, due to its low supply and the hype around the project, the sister token of Shiba Inu has seen astronomical gains. Yep, since the beginning of May. Another such coin is Kishu Inu. So they're talking about Kishu Inu too, guys. Project's white paper speaks of farming decentralized application in the future, similar to SHIB's upcoming ShibaSwap marketplace, where users can swap the token and even earn rewards through staking. So we're still waiting to hear on ShibaSwap. Nothing yet. At least I haven't heard of anything. Let's go over and talk about, or like, let's see what SHIB's talking about. Jorge, nice, man. Welcome. Appreciate you guys. Give me a follow on Twitter. If you want to follow along, know when I go live, it's at @Z_Humphreys. Make sure you follow me along here. I'll tweet out every time I go live, so that way you don't miss it. You know exactly when I'm heading out. Heading out there on YouTube, and you can join the stream. All right, so this is a great follow on Twitter, just for just a random tidbit. Vala Afshar, Chief Digital Evangelist at Salesforce. He always has some great quotes. Love that. Okay. 63 viewers and 9 likes. Let's balance that out, Sheep Army. I appreciate that, Armand. Yeah, smash the like button. Get me up there, at least 30 likes. I know it's a morning stream, so, you know, we're not going to get a ton of people on here, you know, right away. But that's okay. That's cool. We're building this thing out. We had an awesome stream last night. I mean, you guys were just coming in droves last night. We had, I think, a total of over 22,000 people viewed the stream last night. At one point, we had 1,700 concurrent viewers with us last night, which set a record. So every day we're setting records on the stream, which just, you know, goes to show you how big this Shiba Army is and how nice of a community we're building on this channel is. You know, without you guys, wouldn't be able to do it. So I'm very, very grateful for all of you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. All right, so what I wanted to look at is SHIB token, see if we're getting any new tweets. We haven't heard anything. 9 hours ago was the latest. Here's a chance for you to donate to the cause. That's the last thing we've heard. Let's go ahead and just search ShibaSwap just to see if we're getting any information coming in. Pablo, how you doing? Hello from Greece. Welcome, welcome, Pablo. Glad to have you in, man. Make sure you guys smash the like button on your way in. Okay, ShibaSwap, anything? Trading volume up 40%. It's too late for Shiba again. Or next. Trading volume, okay, nothing here. SHIB will easily break 4K holders today. I think this is true. It should break 4K. Okay, nothing on ShibaSwap that I'm seeing, guys. No new information on ShibaSwap. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome if you're new here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're building one of the best communities out on the SHIB Army. You guys are awesome. Subscribe and like the stream. Appreciate it. Push it out to some more people while we're on here this morning. We'll probably be back later tonight too. Follow me on Twitter for all the latest when I go live. Okay. Nothing here. Okay, let's go back and let's take a look at the trends here. We haven't looked at that. So this is last night past day. Let's go. Actually, let's just refresh past day real quick. Check out Shiba and Shiba Inu on the trends. All right, 78 of you in here right now. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We got 30 likes. I think we could push that up to 40, right? Smash the like button. Would appreciate it. So last night, 7:52, we got some nice pops. Look at this, guys. In the early hours this morning, some nice pops here too. Early hours this morning, right around 5 a.m. This was nice. Nice pops here. leveling off a little bit, but still, guys, this is great. We're still getting some great exposure in the Google trends. People are definitely searching this up. Of course, this encapsulates people searching on YouTube as well, right? Because Google owns YouTube. So super, super cool. Look at this. Nice, steady interest in Doge. You know, just for comparison, I know a lot of people hold SafeMoon, so let's see where that's at. Let's do that for a comparison. Eric, no problem. Thanks for being here, brother. So here, just for comparison, guys, a lot more people searching up Shiba Inu, okay, opposed to SafeMoon. Let's do, you know, I know this has been in there a lot, Kishu. Let's check this out. See? So this is what I mean. A lot of people say, oh, get into Kishu Inu, get it, you know. I'd rather be in SHIB. Look at the Google trends right now. A lot more people interested in Shiba, right? A lot more people. This is just me, just my opinion. Just my opinion. Armand, nothing but positive vibes, always, brother. That's what we're all about here. Positivity, seeing the glass half full all the time, no matter what. That's all you can do, right? We're here, and then we're gone. So while we're here, we're going to enjoy it. We're going to have a good time. Shiba Inu, 27th right now, market cap, up on the day. Not many things green today, guys. We saw the same thing yesterday. Not many things green, but Shiba Inu is right now green at the moment. Aave's green, which is interesting, right above Shiba. So Aave is green today. SHIB still a little bit green today. Kusama, oh, it just went red. But I mean, not many things are green. I mean, look at this. Revain has been green since yesterday. SushiSwap is green today. Telecoin, barely in the green. Cello not having a nice little run up. You know, you can earn if you download Coinbase. Here's just a couple tidbits for you. If you download Coinbase, you can earn up to about $37 for free just by watching some videos, taking some quizzes. In fact, I got a bunch of Cello. I think I got like $17 worth of Cello or Cello. Not sure how it's pronounced. I ended up turning that over and making it into more Polygon. But yeah, Coinbase is cool for that. You could take some videos, and they'll give you free crypto. So it's super, super cool if you're not on Coinbase. It's the biggest exchange in the U.S. I know a lot of you out there outside the U.S. maybe aren't able to get on Coinbase, but if you are and you're not already, check that out. And I usually have my link from Coinbase to where we both get $10 a Bitcoin. I don't have it in there right now, but that's okay. We don't need it. You guys can go over there. That's just a little tidbit for you. Little insider information there. Get some free money on Coinbase by watching some videos. Currently got scale from Coinbase from quizzes as we speak. Nice, Will. Yeah, it's pretty sweet, right? You take some quizzes, watch some videos, answer the questions right, and you get free money. And then you could, what I was doing at least is rolling that back over into things I like, right? So I think I got like $17 of Cello or Cello. I ended up turning that into, at that time, 5 times the amount of Polygon, right? Cello's at 536. Polygon at the time I got it was like 88 cents. Look at Polygon too, just running like crazy. Top 20, look at this number 17. Every day it just continues to climb. Love Polygon. Thais Sahali, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. I do support the SHIB Army. I am part of it. So definitely support it. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you being here. Just saw the video on Shiba Burn last night. Nice, C. Welcome back into the stream, man. Glad you watched the one from last night. We were actually talking about that here today. There's a bunch of articles out talking about him burning the 90%. So still haven't heard where the other 10%, which charity it's going to go to. But here's the thing. The reason why I'm interested in that, guys, is, whichever charity that is, it's probably going to be in the press. So whoever gets that 10%, they're probably going to come out with some articles. Oh, so-and-so charity gets this amount of Shiba Inu, right? So it's just another way for us to get some positive momentum and some positive press moving forward. So let's go ahead and search it back up here in Google and see what kind of articles we can hit on. Pablo, very, very sorry to hear that, my friend. Just know that you have a community here that's here for you, and a group of people that are on the same wavelength as you, and You know, it's very, very difficult to lose somebody. I understand that, and we're all here for you, man. Very sorry to hear that. Never knew about Shiba, Mark. Money fam, I took the fee, $40 invested in ETC. Now did that go? ETC, it was at Ethereum Classic. Moni Fam Life, I'm not a huge fan of ETC. I think that's Ethereum Classic. I like ETH, just regular ETH. Ethereum Classic's kind of old and outdated. It's not in line with Ethereum 2.0, which is proof of staking, the future of crypto, a greener future, better on the environment. So ETC is a little bit outdated, in my opinion. I think all the movement, in my opinion, is just retail investors on Robinhood pumping it up because it's, you know, one of the 5 that you can access on Robinhood. But I think ETC has since, let me take a look at that real quick, guys. Yeah, Ethereum Classic has since fell off. I mean, this thing was at 110. A lot of people said it was going to run up even higher. I didn't think so. I didn't buy into that hype. So I did not get into ETH Classic. I actually have a little bit of ETH Classic, though, over on blockchain.com that I bought back in 2017, which is crazy. Back in 2017, guys, how about this? I'll tell you a little tidbit, too. Back in 2017, I just opened up my blockchain account that I forgot I even had. I re-downloaded the app. I put $100 into Bitcoin back in 2017. And I think at the time I looked at it, or I'm sorry, it wasn't 2017. It was early 2020 is when I bought the Bitcoin. Early 2020, and I totally forgot about it. I put $100 in there. When it was up in the 50s, it was worth like 1,100. So I think it's probably like worth like 900 now. Totally forgot I had bought some stuff on blockchain.com, and I think it's blockchain.com. And yeah, it's crazy that you know, sometimes you just open that app up and you're like, oh wow, that's nice. Forgot I even had that. So I have re-downloaded blockchain.com, the app back. I actually bought some ETH way back when too. About like $20 of ETH, which is now like, I don't know, it was like $400, which is crazy. So interesting surprises. It's like finding money in your pocket, right? Yeah, Dan, I think we do too. Great news about SHIB. We were actually taking a look at that. Sorry, I got sidetracked there. Don't go back there. Don't go back to Bing. Let's go. I gotta reset my browser, guys. I gotta work on that. Eric, I'm investment. Armand. Okay, let's take a look at some of those articles. Dan, we actually went over a couple. What Business Insider just put one out about Vitalik. Just some great stuff coming out, man. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Still waiting on some news about ShibaSwap, right? Still waiting on that news. But here's the Markets Insider article, right? About destroying 90% or burning 90%. But look at all these within the last hour, guys. Right? Cointelegraph, Markets Insider, Cointrust.com. Here's another one 2 hours ago. Vitalik burns 41 supply of the dog token. Here you go, crypto briefing. Look at this, 3 hours ago, price hits 40. Crazy, right? Crazy, crazy. Look at this, Daily Express. Look at all these good articles. Crypto News Flash burns $6 billion worth of Shiba Inu. Look at this. This is awesome. Shiba Inu shows no mercy to Shiba Inu's meme coin. 5 hours ago, right? This is great. Crypto News is a good one. Let's check this out. This is a good source. SHIB now ranked 22nd by market capitalization. When was this written? Okay, the 17th. So it was all the way up to 22 in market cap? We're sitting at 27 right now. Okay, let's take a look at this article. Simply holding the remaining coins in the wallet was never an option. Yeah, so he's talking about this. We went over this quote a few times, but if you haven't seen it, there's this quote. Remaining 10% will be sent to the charity with similar values to Crypto Relief, preventing large-scale loss of life, but with a more long-term orientation. So this will be interesting to watch where this other 10% of his SHIB goes, right? We're still waiting to hear that. We're waiting on the ShibaSwap news. So that'll be interesting. Something to watch for. Despite this burn with a positive sentiment among comments apparently increasing in relation to Putin's move, donating some while burning the most, presumably to prevent the price from plunging. Some commented there's still a bajillion coins out there at circulating supply per CoinGecko is SHIB. Yeah, I mean, there's obviously a bajillion coins, but you can spin that one of two ways, right? There's over 9,000 coins listed on CoinMarketCap, and we're in the top 30 with Shiba Inu, right? I mean, a top 100 coin should get a lot of respect. Top 30, even more so. And if there's any serious utility in BTT, yeah, BTT, a lot of people talking about it. I'm going to have to do some more digging. I don't know a lot about it. I'm going to be honest. I'll be upfront with you. Don't know a lot about it, but I'm going to have to do some more digging because I know a lot of people are talking about it. Okay. The Telegraph, okay. Nothing much more there, but a lot of good press here coming out. A lot of articles, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here. Still up on the day. One of the only ones in the green today, along with Aave. Binance up a little bit. Let's see. Anything else? Tether. These are stable coins though, so you know, a little bit different, right? Just about everything else is down still. So we're still in this downturn. Cardano down under that line that I talked about in the video. I think it was like 220. Anytime under that line, you know, that was a support line that we broke. So Cardano still in a good spot. But look at the 7-day for Cardano, up 20%, right? Love to see that. A lot of people talking about XRP. It's down a little bit today. Dogecoin down 6%, still up over 45. Anytime under 40, I like to get Doge. I like to add to Doge under 40. Let's check out. Link is trying to climb back up here. Love Link under 40 too. $40, not 40 cents. But love Link under 40. VeChain down today. Man, this is interesting on VeChain. I think eventually we're going to run on VeChain. Eventually we're going to take off on VeChain. It's just a matter of time, in my opinion. You know, we had a nice run up on VeChain. We'll take a look at the VET charts here. Let's take a look at the 1 month maybe. You think Kishu will rise like Shiba? Hard to tell, Pablo. It's hard to tell. But as of right now, I'm not going to take a risk on it. But you know, I'll be watching. I'll be watching it. Let's take a look at the 3 month on VeChain. Brian, XRP will pump to 170. I guess we'll dip hard after that. Yeah, that's kind of the place that it's going to, Brian. It gets up to 170, and then it usually sells back off, right? I think that's right around the, you know, high it's hit a few times in the last couple months, right? It's got up into that 170 range, then it comes back down. So we look at the 3 month on VeChain, guys. This thing, man, we could have got in way down here at 3 cents. I mean, not too long ago, too. We're talking end of February, early March, 4 cents. Had the big run up in April, trading sideways a little bit, but I mean, still, I mean, this is a nice looking chart. I mean, VeChain, I think, is due for another breakout here soon. I mean, still priced very fairly at 16 cents. So I think eventually VeChain is going to make a nice run. Number 17 in market rank. This is a good one, guys. This is definitely a good one. And it's something you can get a lot of, too, right? At the price it is. What area you from, Zach? I'm originally from Northeast, but I've moved around a little bit. But originally from the Northeast. Eric, loaded up to the gills on VET. Nice, brother. Nice. I'm not loaded up to the gills necessarily, but I've got a good amount. Good amount. It's not one of my largest holdings. It's not. Put it this way, it's not as big as my Cardano and Polygon holdings, but I'm trying to get it up there. I'm trying to get it up there. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you smash the like button on your way in here. Bond, James Bond. Nice. Is that from the great movie? Oh shoot, what was that movie with Jackie Moon? Right. Oh, that was a super underrated Will Ferrell movie too, where they're at the poker table. He's like Bond, James Bond. What movie is that called? Semi-Pro. Semi-Pro. That's it. Classic. Armand, what about TRX? That's Tron, right? TRX. I'm not invested in Tron, but a lot of people like it. 22 in market cap, another pretty reasonable one, fairly priced one that you can get into, and get a lot into, right? Gabriel, why people think about cap so much? Well, it's just, I mean, this is like, it's a big deal. Market cap's a big deal because it shows you how many people are coming into the coin, right? So Bitcoin with its market cap, it just shows you how many people are invested in it, right? How big of a market share it has, right? A lot of people think Ethereum will eventually pass Bitcoin too. I was watching some videos this morning on that. I think there were a lot of valid points about Ethereum and the use case that it has, and a lot of people don't talk about the NFT space enough, right? The NFT space is just getting started. Now, if you go over to Mintable, you go to Rarible, some of the big websites where NFTs are sold, what's being used to buy and sell NFTs? You got to check it out. It's ETH, right? It's ETH. So ETH is being used to buy most of these NFTs, and NFTs are just getting started, just getting started. And I think a lot of artists are already talking about how they're going to roll out albums that are going to be completely in NFT format, and um, just getting started. So I think that's what's going to propel ETH, right? I think that's really going to propel ETH in the future. Okay, had vet at 5 cents. Nice. See, that's awesome. That's awesome, man. Let's take a look here at some other things. Mark Jansen, I'm on Fertz. How you doing? Welcome back, brother. Muhammad, 100x coin is being endorsed by celebrities. What's your thoughts? What's 100x coin? Which coin, Muhammad? Which coin are you talking about? Brian, price equals market cap, circulating supply. Exactly. Slash the circulating supply. Yeah. Um, Mark, nice car indeed. Pablo. Oh, you guys are talking about cars. You guys big car guys? Big car junkies in the chat? I know there's a lot of people out there who are. Armand, it'll correct. Paul, relax and ride the wave, brother. Exactly, man. Just ride the wave. Hold, right? Hold the line. All right, guys, really appreciate it. Make sure you guys like up the video. I'm probably going to hang out here just for another 10, 15 minutes. Just wanted to pop on and hang out with everybody this morning. Had a little bit of time here and got to get to some other things today, but I'll be back on later tonight. We'll get back on and see where we're at with everything. But I'm going to hang out here for just a little while. Hey, Sarah. Hey, just found you. Just started getting into crypto. I do not have the knowledge of day trade. What % gain should I take profits wisely? I don't day trade either, Sarah. I think it's first off wisely to or it's wise rather to not day trade. It's really hard to time any market, whether it be the stock market or the crypto market. It's really hard to time it consistently. But if you're going to buy and hold good assets for the long term, it's a lot easier to win in that fashion, right? So for instance, on the stock market side, if you're going to buy a good company like Apple and hold it for 5 years, there's a good chance that you're going to go up, right? A really good chance, right? Or if you put money in the S&P 500 in the stock market and hold it for 5 years, on average, it goes up about 5 to 7% every year, right? On average. So same thing goes for crypto, right? If you're going to buy a good asset like let's say Cardano or Ethereum and hold for 5 years, then your chances of winning go dramatically up. In terms of when you should get out, that's something you have to sit down and have a conversation with yourself about, right? So you have to have an exit strategy. Every time you enter the market in any asset, you should know when this asset hits this price, I'm going to take this amount of profits, or I'm going to take all my profits, right? But that's something that you have to decide for yourself because how you decide that is different than how Brian decides that, how Mark decides that, how Eric decides that. Everybody's going to have a different strategy, okay? But it's important that you have one, okay? So for instance, hypothetical, right? I could say that, okay, I got in my Cardano, right, at 10, okay? When it hits $10, which that's our price target by the end of the year, if you check out my video I put out yesterday, and a lot of other people saying that too. So let's just say it hits $10 by the end of the year. And this is hypothetical. This isn't my actual strategy because I'm actually going to be in Cardano for the long term. But hypothetical, when it hits $10, I'm going to take 20% of my profits, right? And that's I think that's a good way to go about it, right? Or a lot of people will say when it hits $5, I'm going to take my initial investment out because then I'm playing with house money, right? So you take your initial investment out. Now you've got the investment that you put in. Everything else that's in your Cardano now is just earning you money, right? It's passive income. It's wherever that goes, it goes, right? You don't lose money no matter what, right? So you've got to decide that for yourself though, because that's going to be different for everybody. Investing, yeah, Mark, investing takes patience and costs time. It does. Yeah, you have to be patient. Because psychologically, guys, our brain actually works in reverse. right? So when the price is going up and we're really excited about it, psychologically we want to buy into it, right? Psychologically we want to like buy it as it's going up. But technically speaking, that's the worst time to buy in, right? The worst time to buy in is when it's going up. However, if you've done your research and you've waited to invest into something until after, you've seen the price dip and go up, you know that when you have a good asset that dips down, it's a good time to get in. So you want to buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high, okay? Pablo bought my 7.5 mil at, oh, nice. That's good price. Good price. Eric, to be relevant market participant, you have to be formulated. Yeah, you have to formulate a strategy. Right. Everybody's strategy is different too. And here's the thing, guys. Go listen to YouTube videos on the world's best investors. Go listen to Mark Cuban. His strategy is different than Elon Musk's. Elon's strategy is different than Warren Buffett's. Everybody has a different strategy. There's multiple ways to skin a cat, but the important thing is that you have one, right? Because here's the thing: if you don't, your emotions are going to get the best of you. Your emotions are going to get the best of you, and you're going to do things, that you're going to regret. For instance, I made the mistake. I sold Dogecoin way too early. I'd be sitting on a pile of money right now if I didn't let my emotions get the best of me. I saw a little bit of green, saw a little bit of profit, and at that time, I didn't do enough research on Dogecoin. Of course, there weren't the catalysts that there were. I panicked a little bit. I took my profits. Now, I made a little bit of money on that, but if I'd have been more patient and really had a nice plan moving forward, I probably would still hold on to that and have a lot more profits, okay? But a lot of times you learn from failures. You don't learn a lot from success. You learn a lot from failures, though. Armand, I agree with ETH overtaking BTC in time. I do too. Yeah, I do too. It just has the use case, right? With the NFT space, um, you know, everything right now in terms of usability, ETH has over Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be there in the long term because it's a digital asset. It's digital gold. It's stored value. But using something, I think, is going to be it's going to be Ethereum. This is going to be the most used crypto, right? Especially online. Everything's going virtual anyway, right? ETH is going to be super, super popular, I think. Especially when ETH 2.0 comes out. They're saying ETH 2.0 in 2022, 2023 maybe, with proof of staking. A lot of good things coming down the line. ETH is one I'm holding for at least 2030, guys. That's my personal strategy. I'm holding ETH till 2030. Just listened to a price prediction early this morning on ETH. One of my favorite YouTubers, Stock Mo. Go give him a follow. He's awesome. Stock Mo came out with a price prediction this morning of 10,000, I think it was. Or no, by 2025, what was it? 20,000 by 2025. 20,000 by 2025. And there is some bullish price predictions. Okay. Mark Cuban thinks it could be 100,000 by 2025. We're talking about ETH. 100,000 by 2025. But again, it takes a lot of patience. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs. There's going to be a lot of noise. You got to block all that out if you believe in it, right? And there's a lot of ways to go about it. You can dollar cost average in. You can buy the dips, try to time it up a little bit, or do both, right? You can dollar cost average and buy the dips. So what's up, David? Welcome back, man. Welcome, man. Mohammed all talks about ADA vet ETC. What's your view? Price prediction for Elron. Don't know anything about Elron, to be honest with you. Something I want to look into a little bit. I only talk about things that I know a little bit about. I don't like to just spew BS on things that I don't know about. So, yeah, I'm going to have to look into it, man. I don't know a lot about it. Sarah, it's fun and exciting about the reality of utility and the future growth is extraordinarily unknown. You're the absolute best channel I've found for perspective. Thank you for that. I'm super new to this space too. I don't know everything, Sarah, but I'm learning every day. I'm researching every day, and I think that's the most important thing. Do your own research, do your own homework. It's amazing what you can learn in a few hours per day. If you put the time in, you sit down, you take notes. I'm a big note taker. I write down something I learned, something I find interesting, and I study it. So that way I'm able to come on here and talk a little bit about it. CL, I think ETH will go to 10 to 15K by October. Man, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful, CL. We're going to be talking about it, that's for sure, no matter what. I think it's definitely going to go up in due time. How about SafeMoon, Gahan? Yeah, I know a lot of people are in SafeMoon. I know it's had a lot of positivity, a lot of good movement. Their army's building too. I'm not invested in it, but I know it's a growing community as well. I'm applying for the Zach chat support position. Mark, do you mean like an admin position? I can make you an admin. I made Mofo an admin one night, 2 nights ago. So he's been doing it the last 2 nights. I don't know. Can you have multiple admins? I'm still learning this whole YouTube thing out, guys. I don't know. Like, can you have multiple admins? Um, I'm learning every day about how this all works. So, um, Charles Hoskinson did a message right now to Elon about Dogecoin. Go ahead and see it, guys. What, on Twitter? We could probably pull up Charles's Twitter real quick. That'd be cool. Let's go ahead and let's go see what Charles is up to. Actually, I should follow him. Actually, if I'm not following him already, let's see, Charles. Excuse me there. Charles Hoskinson. I'm gonna follow him. Let's see what he's doing here. Tweets and response. How to fix Doge. Oh, he's actually on right now. Charles is awesome. How can time for digital? Okay, yeah, this was his exchange. Mark Cuban and Cardano. Interesting. Okay, I haven't seen anything. We'll take a look at his tweets and replies. Actually, maybe, huh? Oh, there it is. How to fix Doge at Elon Musk. Okay, how to fix Doge. So he's talking about Doge right now, guys, and how to fix it. He's bringing Elon Musk into the conversation. Very interesting. Very interesting. Um, very interesting. Now, I don't know from a copyright standpoint, am I allowed to play this right now? Or else I'll start doing this, but I got to look in to make sure, I don't get demonetized here. I got to do some homework on this and see what's what. So eventually, maybe I'll play some things like this while we're on stream and listen to it together and react to it. But I know other YouTubers do that. If you know if that's okay, let me know in chat because I'm still learning here, guys. Jorge, what about ADA? Love ADA, man. Obviously, love it. Down a little bit today to 210. I think it's a good buying spot, in my opinion. Leopard, hello. Welcome back, man. Welcome. When Doge is strictly... Okay, let me go back because I know Mark was asking some things. Martin, burning the 90% SHIB will be good. The value of each token now goes up. I think Mark said by 41% now, right? So it increases the value of each token now that he burned it. So yes, Martin, it's good. I'm applying. Okay. Michael Fowler, watching yesterday, and your show is mint, and the chat is equally inviting. Awesome, Michael. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thanks for being here, man. Make sure you subscribe, like up the channel, guys. Smash the like button. Let's get to at least 100 likes. I know it's an early morning stream, but let's get to 100 likes. At least 100, right? We can get to 100. Happy hour or hour. I'm sorry. When Doge is strictly a meme. When Doge is strictly a meme? Was it a strictly a meme? It was a meme. I guess it still is a meme coin, but it's legitimate now. That's for sure. Number 5 market cap, right? SafeMoon turned from a pump and dump into a real thing. That's the power of hype in a financial crisis. Yeah, it is, Mustafa. It is, man. Everybody's on board with Mark. Okay, here. So, small advice. Put a disclaimer in. Okay, a disclaimer in terms of, this is not financial advice. I should put it probably. Okay, I'm going to write these down because I literally need all the advice that I can get here because you guys probably know a lot more about about this stuff than I do when it comes to what you're able to do, what you should do. Okay, so put a disclaimer together, making sure that this is not financial advice, right? Is that what you mean, Mark? Yeah, I'll have to put something together like that. I mentioned it on stream, but probably not enough, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody who knows a little bit about something. So trying to build a community, that's all. Bond, James Bond, agree XRP, very bullish. A lot of people are. A lot of people are. I'm not an investor in XRP, but I know a lot of people are. So that's okay. You don't have to be invested in everything that I'm invested in too. I mean, you can have totally different opinions. That's okay. Is ADA in a good spot to buy now? I think so. In my opinion, yes. It broke support at 220 yesterday, so I think it is in a good spot. I mean, it's still up on the 7-day, almost 24%, but Cardano's got a bullish price prediction from a lot of people. A lot of people are super bullish on ADA. So yesterday I put out a video on ADA. Make sure you go check that out. Share that with some of your folks as well. So one thing I mentioned in there, I'll give you one tidbit. Sarah is somebody I really, like in the crypto space. I listen to her a lot. And she put out a really bullish price prediction of $10 by the end of 2021. Many others have said that as well. And a really even more bullish price prediction by 2022. So if you're looking at it from that perspective, if you're going to hold Cardano through 2022, yeah, now's a good time to get in. You could play it, just not copyrighted music. Okay, I can play it, just not copyrighted music. Okay, I'll take your word for it, Planet. We'll try it. Right? If we make the mistake, yeah, I'll take your word for it. I believe you. I don't know. YouTube's really kicking people's asses with copyright claims. I have videos privated, and they still get copyright. Okay, interesting. All right. Still learning about what you can do, what you can't do. I think we would be able to play this because I watch Meet Kevin's channel all the time. He plays the news. I mean, he plays, Sarah Eisen right on MSNBC. I mean, so essentially, like those people, they don't have cable. They can watch cable news. I mean, I listen to it all the time. Meet Kevin's got a great stream, great channel. I love it. So he does it right on his channel. So I think it'd be okay. I don't think it would be against any protocols, any copyright protocols. But I'll hold off right now and just wait because I want to look into it a little bit more and make sure that's allowed. Where can I buy SafeMoon? I'm not sure, Guyan. I don't have SafeMoon, so not the best person to ask. I'm sure somebody else could tell you, though. Moni, Fam Life, ADA seems pretty consistent in price movement. Yeah, and it's really seen a nice upward trend lately. ADA's, definitely pretty stable right now, really, Even with the market down right now, still above $2 and pretty stable. John, good morning from Florida, bud. Good morning, man. Good morning from down there in Florida. I'm sure it's a beautiful, another sunny day down there in Florida. Usually always is sunny, right? Rains for like 10 minutes and the sun comes back out. Gotta love that. David, over 70% ADA is staked. Yeah, which is super nice, huh? Staking ETH at 2.0 on Coinbase with Armand, so am I. So am I. I am also staking ETH 2.0 on Coinbase with 6% APR. I'm doing the same thing, man. Same thing. Julio, end of the year SHIB price. Haven't given one myself, but I've heard half cent, quarter of a cent, maybe. I'd like that. I'd like quarter of a cent. That's pretty good, Armand. I'll check that out. Yeah, Eric, definitely check that out. I'm doing the same thing as Armand is. Doing the same thing as Armand. It's great. Coinbase 6% APR over there with ETH 2.0. Fantastic. They put you on a waiting list, and you're all set. Anya, just skip my child support payment to buy SHIB. Well, that's not very good. Don't do that. Make sure you do what you need to with your bills first and foremost. Extra money, then go ahead. Will Shiba Inu rise to $1 in 10 years? Islam. I don't know. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, but let's get to 1 cent first, right? Let's get to 1 cent. Tarun, any updates on Dragon Musk, when it will be launching? I have not heard about that, Tarun. Dragon Musk, again, guys, there's new coins added every single day, so it's hard to keep up with it. Where are we at right now? 9,869 cryptos right now. 9,869. So I tend to stay on this first page, right? Top 100. Speaking of which, Shiba is number 27 right now, looking strong there. VeChain 18, Polygon 17, two of my favorites right here, guys. Top 20. Both of these, really like them. Polygon in the green today, moving nicely. Again, not financial advice, but I like these two too. Like Cardano and Dogecoin. Do your own research, check into them. Really like their future. ShibaSwap testing today, Michael. Yeah, supposedly, right? In fact, let's go to the website of SHIB and check out what's going on here. Thanks so much for being here, guys. Early in the morning, first morning stream. So always fun hanging out. We had a great stream last night. A lot of people were in here last night. Had a blast. Shiba token. Let's see here. See if there's anything new. How to buy. Let's see. I talked about this in one of my recent videos too, guys. Super underrated aspect of Shiba. Um, the NFT ventures. This is what I'm really waiting to see. I know ShibaSwap is going to be big, but I want to hear more about the NFT space and what they're going to do. I think this is where it's at. This is where they can really, really take off, in my opinion. Okay. Yeah, this is the kind of news we got in terms of ShibaSwap. We did get a little bit more specific news that they were going to be running some tests today, and then hopefully launching soon is all we got. So what's soon? Is it later this week? Hopefully, that'll be nice. Zach, what do you think about BNB? Just bought some last week. I have to check. What is that? What is BNB? BNB is, oh, Binance Coin. Well, it's number 3 market cap. I don't have Binance Coin, but obviously it's a good one. Anything that's in the top 10 is solid, right? If you bought it anywhere around this price where it's down right now, it's probably pretty good. It's if you believe in it, you want to buy it when it's low, and it is low right now. So, again, I don't know much about it. I'm not invested in it, but it's a top 5 coin, which, you know, that speaks for itself, right? You don't have to be a rocket scientist to know if something's in the top 5. It's pretty good. Andre, what about RAR? RAR? Don't know it. Oh, Rarible. Oh, this is related to the NFT space, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. Yes, Rarible is creator-centric NFT marketplace. Oh, okay. Interesting. I didn't even know this was tradable. No way. Number 488 market rank. I'm going to write this one down. Thank you for mentioning this one. Yeah, Rarible's a site that, okay, so I don't have any NFTs out on the market, but I have studied what they are and what's going on in that space. Rarible is one of the big players, without a doubt. Rarible and Mintable are the two that I've done some in-depth looking into. They're going to be around for a long time. So I didn't even know this was publicly traded as a crypto. So I'm going to have to look into Rare. It's up 6% right now. So here, actually, I'll take you guys to their website. So if we go to Rarible, here, we'll pull this up. Rarible.com. It's crazy what some of this digital art is selling for in ETH. Have you guys seen this? A lot of you probably have, but some of you probably haven't. So it's insane. So here's Rarible. Okay, so let's just pull up. Okay, so here we go. Top sellers in one day. So this guy has earned 10 ETH today. Okay, 10 ETH. Do the math. What's an ETH right now? I don't know. We'll just say 3,500. He's earned 10 of them today. And the day's like, we're still like in the morning. This guy's the top seller today. So he's made, I don't know, 40 grand, give or take, this morning selling digital art. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. And you start to see what kind of stuff is selling, right? So here you go. This is a bid. These are live auctions, right? Kind of like the same thing you see on eBay. Speaking of eBay, actually, eBay just became the first space to sell NFTs. I don't know if you guys saw that in the news. eBay now, you can buy digital art using Ether, using Ethereum, right on eBay. I feel like eBay is trying to recreate themselves a little bit, reinvent themselves, because Amazon, of course, has dominated the space. eBay has kind of fell back, but I think this could be huge for eBay. I think they can really make some strides. So they'd be a company I would look for to make some strides in the stock market. They are publicly traded. But anyway, I digress. Live auctions. So here you go. Look at some of this digital art. Okay, Splash Alien has 1 day, 3 hours, 48 minutes left on it. Okay, highest bid so far is 0.021 ETH. But I mean, it's crazy. Like, people are just creating this and making tons of money. Rarible's a big player. Okay, look at some of this stuff. So this is Rarible, which we're checking out right now. I didn't even know this was publicly traded on the in the crypto space. I'm definitely gonna have to look at this. Thank you for whoever dropped this in here. Rarible. Yeah, this could be a good one. I don't know anything yet. I got to look more into it. But man, look at this movement too. Seeing some great movement. Actually, It's down right now. Now would be the good time to probably get in. It's been as high as well, up over 40. Wow, interesting. But everything's a little bit down right now. Okay, I'll have to look into it. Nobody talking about Alu, Smart NFT, Crypto Connoisseur. I haven't heard about it. Tell us more. If you know some more about that, I haven't heard about it. We can learn from you on that. Is it smart NFT contracts, or what do you mean? Um, Anya, my wife didn't like when I said I can't guarantee that SHIB hits 1 cent in the next 3 years, so she told me I guarantee the divorce in 2024 will be swift. That's pretty hilarious. I can't guarantee that either, right? Nobody can, but that's what we're hoping for. Andre, what about Crow? What is that? That's the crypto. That's the crypto.com coin, isn't it? Yeah, that's the crypto.com coin. I don't own it. They always get me to try to own it because I buy some crypto on crypto.com, but yeah, I don't have it, so I don't have much to say about it. Moni Fam Life. Whoa. Oh, I guess you're talking about the digital art. Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it, Julio? It's nuts what some of this stuff sells for. It's insane. Rareable's a big player. This is one of the sites I did a deep dive in. You know what? I heard a podcast. I listened to Mark Cuban talk about it. Guys, sometimes it's not that hard. Just listen to what really smart people say and then go do research on it. That's all you got to do. So when Mark Cuban says something, write it down and do some research on it. You're going to learn a lot about it, right? You're going to learn a lot about something that's important. So just follow what people like that do. It's really that easy. NFT, I would like to get more information on that. Yeah, I'm still trying to learn more too, but I do know it's a growing industry, Julio. It's only getting started, my man. So so you're here at a good time. Fran, why when I try to sell Shiba on Binance, it says amount should be between I have no idea. I don't buy or sell or trade on Binance, so I'm not sure, Fran. Not sure. You might have to ask somebody else who uses Binance. We actually can't use Binance here in the U.S., so I'm not sure. Oh gosh, spell that. Just RAR. Yeah, Moni Fam Life. RAR is the token that that they were talking about right here. Rarible. Oh, so it's actually RARI. Oh wait a minute. So did I look at the wrong coin? I might have. No, I guess that this is what they were saying. Rari, yeah. That's Rari, Rarible. That's this website right here. Axel, Shiba Inu, yeah. Heck yeah, man. 300K Dogecoin into nice. Nice, Vale. Tarun, can you please check and tell about PAPP coins? No, I haven't heard about it, but we could pull it up. Take a look. PAPP. PAPP. That's not coming up here on CoinMarketCap, so not sure. Eric, man, you're good at this. Continue with the good work. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm just getting started. I'm new. I'm still learning every single day, so I'm trying to learn from all of you too. So I know I was at 800 subscribers yesterday. Now over 1.5. Don't lay down. Keep going. Cheers. I know, man. I hear you. I'm trying to ride this wave too because I know how this whole thing works. If you sit back and get comfortable, you're not growing. So I'm gonna stay uncomfortable here and continue to learn new things and keep trying stuff out, man. Just keep going. I'm with you. Mark, thanks for that, Vale. Okay, I'm an NFT artist. Check me out on Instagram. Nice, Planet. Yeah, nice plug. That's cool. We'll go check you out. Hopefully you're putting together some nice NFTs. Here, Planet, I'll pull you up here. I'm going to give you some free press. How about that? Nuclear Heat Graphics, right? I'll just pull you up on Twitter here. Do you have a Twitter or are you just on Instagram? Nuclear Heat Graphics. This is you, right? This is you, huh? Graphic designer. Here you go. I'm giving you a follow right now. Here's a shout out. Nuclear Heat Graphics. New to the NFT space. Go check him out. Go check out his content. There you go, man. Peter, cheers from NYC via London. Nice, brother. Welcome. Pablo, see you again in a few hours, guys. Have a nice day. See you, Pablo. Won't be a few hours. It'll be many hours, but I'll be back sometime tonight. I'll catch you. Shiba to the moon in the meantime. Yes, sir. Planet Instagram. Is this also you on Oh, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, okay. That's you on Twitter, right? Want to make sure it's not another. If it's somebody else, I just gave them a plug. But this is you, right? Hopefully. I'm guessing nobody took your name over here on Twitter. Nuclear Heat Graphics. Yes, Pablo, stay blessed. I agree with Moni on that. I've created an NFT right now. You're creating an NFT right now? Oh, did we inspire you to get started on it? Yeah, anybody interested in graphic design, this isn't, something I'm definitely not good at it. I don't know anything about it, but I've even started thinking about like maybe I need to learn how to do some of this stuff, right? Create an NFT. Um, but you don't have to only do graphic design. You don't only have to do that. You can create like other things too, right? Like memes, I know can be on here. So here, if you go to Rarible, check this out. Let's go to how it works. Give you kind of a decent background here on this. Really cool. Or actually, here before we do that, search. I thought at one time they had on here like all the different types of things you can do. Yeah, here we go. This is what I was looking for. So it could be art. Here you go. Photography. So if you're into photography, you can put your photos on here, right? So many photographers try to sell, on Instagram and things like that. Make it an NFT, right? And then you can get Ethereum back in replace, right? One of the reasons why we love Ethereum and why it's doing so well, guys, there's multiple reasons. One of the reasons is the NFT space. The NFT space is blown up. Mark Cuban talked about it 2 months ago. Since then, what has Ethereum done? Skyrocketed. Skyrocketed. How do people buy NFTs? Ethereum. Okay, there's definitely a correlation there. A lot of other things going on, but that's one thing going on for sure. Photography. There's games on here, metaverses, music. Oh, you can even sell domain names. Check this out. This is wild. I was looking at this the other day. You can buy a domain name from GoDaddy.com and then sell the domain NFT. It's crazy. I mean, it's crazy to wrap your head around some of this stuff and how people are winning in this space. But so many opportunities, guys. So you could be the person that sits back and says, "Well, that's crazy. What the hell's that going on?" Or you could be the person jumping at it and trying to learn more and doing it, right? DeFi. So hey, look, check this out. Look at this stuff. I mean, this stuff's going for 1 ETH. This is going for $3,500. This piece of art. It's insane. It's crazy. 500. Where'd you see that, Moni? Well, look at this. 2 ETH. Okay, so this is 2 ETH. Okay, that's $7,000 for this piece of digital art. $7,000. Jeffrey Epstein. Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, there's some hilarious ones, but it's crazy. This space is crazy. Yeah, he burns trillions of tokens. There has been no significant jump. Why is that? Well, D Jackson, it takes time. It takes time. Things don't just happen overnight with it. We're getting a lot of good news out on it, right? In terms of him burning the tokens, things will happen. You just gotta be patient, man. Just be patient. Bale, smart people always have a plan D, Jackson, or plan C. Yeah, plan C or D. Yeah, right. Um, that's true. Robert, stay strong, Mark. I'm on the streets also, but holding strong. Um, nice, Robert. Nice. Good thing to hold strong. Make sure you guys, if you guys want to follow me here on Twitter, I'm pulling this up right here at Z_Humphreys. I post up here, when I go live, so you can make sure you join us for the live streams. I also post new videos. I also, post some things on Shiba. You'll see other things too. I like quotes and stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of motivational stuff, and you'll see before this stream kind of took off, I got some other stuff on self-development too. So I'm noticing that those videos are getting some views actually finally. Whereas before I had like 15 to 20 views. Couldn't get people to watch stuff. But now you start building out a community a little bit. People are going back and checking out some of my old videos. So definitely do that. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I want to hear from you. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. Give me a follow over there. So yeah, heading back over to Rarible. Isn't this crazy, guys? It's nuts. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, make sure like and subscribe to the video too. We're up over 100 likes. Appreciate that. Hopefully we can get up subscribers. My goal for today is get to 2,000. Right now, why not? We're up over 1,500. I know that. Last night I was at 800. Why not over 2,000 today? Over 2,000 would be great. Make sure you subscribe. Join this community. It's growing fast. And thanks to all of you. Very grateful for all of you helping me do that because, well, wouldn't be possible without you. But yeah, check out all these items, guys. Look at this. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy what people are creating. And then, so here's the other thing about the NFT space. This is super interesting, right? So Mark Cuban was talking about this, okay? So he created a bunch of memes of him, like, he owns the Dallas Mavericks. For any of the sports fans out there, he owns the NBA team in Dallas. So he was out in shoot around with all the guys, and he's actually a big basketball player. He loves basketball, not just the sport and owning the team, but loves playing. But anyway, he was out there creating memes, and he then made them into NFTs. So he puts his first meme up as an NFT. I think he put it up for like, I don't know, 20,000. It came out to 20,000 like US dollars, but it was that in ETH, whatever. It sold in like 5 minutes. Sold in 5 minutes. But here's the other kicker. When you create digital art, when you create an NFT, you get a percentage of the sell when it's resold, right? So you get royalties, okay? So for instance, somebody bought it for 20 grand, but he had a 10% royalty. So that thing could have been resold now 10 times. Every time it's resold, he gets 10%. So you're making passive income on an NFT that you created months ago, years ago, and it continues to get resold for a higher price. He collects each time that thing is resold. He collects a little bit each time. It's crazy. So people are killing it in this space. So far, I'm connected to the space in kind of the things I invest in crypto. Haven't created any digital art, but seriously considering it. And I have zero graphic design background at all. But you can learn how to do basically anything on the internet these days for free. So you can definitely do it if you want to. Our senior, Susan, 3 days. D. Jackson, what did Susan say? When Shiba Inu, when does it hit 1 cent? We don't know. Hopefully soon, right? When's he burning? It's already burnt, Benny. Welcome to the stream too, Benny. When will the price go up from the news? Well, that's hard to tell. We don't have a crystal ball, but it's a good thing. It's a good catalyst. It's a good thing. It already went back up in market cap. That it did. So we were down yesterday. Shoot, we were in the 30s somewhere yesterday when it really dipped down, right? It dipped down to like 12. We were down quite a bit in the market cap, but now we're back up top 30. So, that for me is a win, right? It doesn't always have to be just the price, okay? You don't get caught up too much in the price. Think about long term here, long term catalyst, and I think we got one yesterday, okay? All right. Thanks for the new follows, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for the new follows on Twitter. Glad we're building a nice community here. Make sure you like up the stream here. Actually hanging out longer than I thought I would here, but this has been fun. Nice morning stream, hanging out with you guys. Decky lost money on SHIB. Well, you only lose if you sell, Decky. You only lose money if you sell. If you hold, if you hodl, you don't lose, right? That's the great thing about investing. It's not like gambling when the game's over, the game's over, right? The game's only over if you sell. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull back up Google here. See if there's any more articles being written out there. Let's check things out here. Go over to the news tab. Okay. Tools, sort by date. Okay, still got these top articles. Market Insider 1 hour ago. Still a lot of good stuff today, guys. Look at all these articles 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago. All about Vitalik burning. His SHIB, right, rallies 40%, right? Look at this. All great stuff. Right? Look at this. This is just the first page. We're only 5 hours deep. We got to go to page 2. We're getting so much good press. Look at this. 3 cryptocurrencies. Look at Market Realist. Let's check this out. 3 cryptocurrencies could be the next Dogecoin. While more hardcore blockchain enthusiasts might not like the advent of meme coins, there's no denying that they've become incredibly popular. Yeah, see, I love that first sentence. Because there's a lot of people out there like, it's a meme coin, it doesn't have any purpose. And it's like, dude, have you seen what's happened to Dogecoin? Like, it's one thing to say on one hand, like, yeah, it's just like, it's just people being negative. I mean, you got to look at it from a whole perspective. I mean, yeah, it is what it is, but guess what? You got to look at it from the other side. It's a top 30 coin. It's growing, right? Look what happened to Doge. It's possible, right? Anyway, the biggest winner has been Dogecoin, whose popularity has soared thanks to the help of people like Elon. We've got Vitalik now and Sandeep Nawal attached to this coin. SafeMoon's listed in here, so anybody holding SafeMoon, there you go. I want to talk about Shiba, though. Where do they talk about SHIB? There we go. Considering Dogecoin, okay, Shiba token, small cryptocurrency, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Since then, it's steadily grown. Half of Akita Inu tokens are owned by Ethereum co-founder Vitalik. Okay. Both coins, a lot of traction right now. Hard to say which one is superior. Both are seen as the next top Doge-based crypto. Well, I mean, in terms of superiority in market cap, it's Shiba, right? Where is Akita on the market cap? Let's go check that. How do you spell it? Akita Inu. Let's go check that, actually. I'm curious. Where is Akita on market cap? Let's see that. Akita Inu. Let's check that out. Where's my search bar? Should be up here, wouldn't it, right? Should be. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Akita. Let's see. Let's see. So it's still 2,520 in market cap, guys. Okay, compared to what, 27 of SHIB? And SHIB has a lot more storylines going on, right? So if I'm going to pick one of the two, just based on that alone, I'm going SHIB, right? That's just me. I mean, just my opinion. All right, guys, welcome into the stream. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe. Glad you're joining us. Glad you're here. Buy now. It's a decent time to buy, yeah. I mean, we got that support level down at the 1.5. So, we're up a little bit, but we're close to it. I mean, it depends when you got in, too. How much you have, where you got in. I bought the dip yesterday at 1.2, but I don't know how much, how likely we are to get back down there. We got that support, that rough support at 1.5, so. I didn't even know Kishu Inu had a Times Square billboard planet. Didn't even know that. So that's news to me. That's interesting. How about this? Does Shiba have a Times Square billboard? That would be cool. Doge is unlimited. SHIB, there's a cap. Yeah. 74 million. Nice, Alexander. How much Musk on SNL and calls Doge? Doge on SNL, or Musk on SNL, it was big for Doge. I mean, we all kind of, well, not we all, but I myself actually created a video about how I thought it was going to be. It was actually a short. It was one of those YouTube shorts. I actually called it correctly. I'm wrong sometimes too, but I actually called it correctly in terms of it was a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. I actually sold off most of my Doge right at the peak before SNL started. So I played my cards right in that respect. Then I bought back in. Bought back in when it dipped back down to like 37. So I like Doge under 40, guys. Like Doge under 40. So bought like $1,200 worth about 5 days ago. You're saying once Bitcoin finds its support level, these haunts will fly. Yeah, I agree, brother. Deidre, now that V burned a few trillion coins, it makes the coin more valuable. Yes, it does, Deidre. And welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you like it up and subscribe. Please check out market cap, 24 comparison between Doge and 24-hour comparison. Market cap between Doge and SHIB. Sure, Mark. Do you want 24-hour volume or 24 market cap? 1557. Here, let's do a side by side, huh? How about that? So we'll pull up Another coin market cap. We'll do a little side by side. How about that? And Mark, while you're here, do you care if I make you admin? I don't think we're gonna have any problems right now, but I don't know. Can I do that, Mark? I'm gonna try to do it, Mark. I guess you can probably, or I'll make you moderator. Is that what you call it? There you go. All right. So, oh, where the heck is it? I'm scrolling way past it, huh? There we go. I don't know why it like knocks out just these coins right here all the time, right in the middle when it's loading up. All right, so we're trying to load this up. There we go. Okay, let's find Shiba Inu. Okay, so there's your volume market cap 0.6994, 0.557. Yeah. Total supply here on Doge is at 129 billion, right? Shiba Inu, look at that number. Woo! Circulating supply, you got 394 billion. Market cap at 6.3 billion. Shiba, 63 billion on Doge. How about that, guys? 63 billion market cap. So if this meme coin can do it, you know, sky's the limit, man. Sky is the limit. All right. All right, welcome back in, everybody. We're getting some nice viewers. Now we're building some following up. Make sure you like the stream. Smash the like button on your way in. Would appreciate it. Think top 10. Please, are you holding more? And price absolutely be up. Yeah, for sure. Mandeep, Sheeb, $1 moon. Yes, sir, brother. Yes, sir. Mark, please check out. Okay, yeah, did that for you. What else we got? It'll take a lot for Sheeb to hit $1. You are right about that. Julio, Big Sky, the limit. Grace McFadden, can you talk a little bit louder? Sure. I can talk a little bit louder. Am I all the way up? My volume all the way up? Yeah, I can talk a little bit louder. Is that loud enough, Grace? Can you hear me? Hopefully. Hopefully I'm projecting loud enough. Okay, so Scott will get rich or die trying. It's that simple. Yes, Deidre. Anthony, they can't read their white paper. They're locked the remaining 500 trillion. You just have to delete their keys. Yeah, it's better. Cheers. Mike is fine. Thanks, Phil. Mark just sent me a photo here. DM. Okay, this is interesting. Very cool. Yeah, look at the 24-hour change. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. I like it. A lot of people moving over, maybe from Doge into SHIB. Interesting. Thanks, Julio. Appreciate that. Mike's fine. Good. Just want to make sure. Guillermo, I want only 1 cent. Yeah, me too, man. Jay Jones, when will Shiba hit? Well, I know, Jay. I know, brother. We're waiting. We're all waiting for it. Definitely. In general, where's a safe place to buy Shiba coin? Anywhere close to that edge line at 1.5, I think is pretty safe. I think it's pretty safe right now, in my opinion. But that's on you. You gotta check it out, see for yourself. But yeah, I mean, we're at the 1.6 level right now. Got some support at the 1.5, so it's on you, man. But I think now's a pretty good time. Will Shiba rise up good, sir? I hope so. Yeah. Thank you all for the new follows too. Appreciate that. Thanks for the new follows on the Twitter page. I'll be able to tweet out when I go live, so you won't miss anything there. Anytime I see something worth retweeting to, this is the message from last night that we talked about. You'll see me do that as well. What else we got going on in chat? Almost at 150 likes, guys. Smash the like button. Get us up over 150. That'd be great. Allie, is there a website that I can buy from with no minimum? Allie, website right now that I used to buy it. If you're a first-time user on crypto.com, you can get in there. There are no fees for the first 30 days. No fees for the first 30 days, crypto.com. Mark, yeah, great point. SHIB outperforming Doge the last 24 hours could be a shift indeed. I agree. Muhammad, hello, sir. How are you? Price prediction by Shiba. I haven't given one, but a lot of people are saying, you know, quarter of a cent, half a cent, maybe. That would be nice. Can we get half penny? I think so, JD. That'd be nice. I think so. Michael, what's not true? Did I make a mistake? I do make mistakes, man. I'm not perfect, brother. When you sell, that's the fee. They don't pay what it's worth when you sell. That's the fee. Okay, so they hit you with the fee when you sell. Okay, I haven't sold anything, so I wouldn't know. Yeah, I was holding. So okay, so they hit you with the fee when you try to sell, but there's no fee when you buy. Okay, fair enough. But crypto.com is a place where you can get it. Rick, awesome, man. Glad you found us. Glad you found us. Glad the algorithm pushed out to you and you found us, brother. Awesome. David, it's all about the holder count, and it's rose to 200 in a week. Yes, sir. You bid. Which one is better, Trust Wallet? I've heard more people talk about Trust Wallet. I don't use any of them, Umid, but I've heard more people talk about Trust Wallet. I'm sure other people would be able to give you some information too on that. So, keeping my coins in Binance, is that safe? I think so, Hussein. I think that's a pretty safe place. Yeah, Binance is very well respected. Yeah. Okay, so what else we got going on? Thanks, guys. Thanks, Gumbo, for the retweet. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Thank you for all the new followers. Appreciate it. Make sure you guys like up the video, subscribe. Let's go back and take a look at some of the news. Yeah, because Castellano, Trust Wallet is good. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Let's go back out here and go to Google. Fire it up here. Let's see here. Oh, we gotta go news first, right? See if there's anything new here, guys. Then we go to sort by date. Okay, nothing new yet, but still some good articles. Good stuff out here today on SHIB, guys. A lot of articles too. I didn't go to page 3. Let's see. Look at this. These were from last night. Yeah, we read a lot of these last night. So as of now, from last night, there's been like 2 full pages of articles listed on Google News just from last night. Right? When we sort by date. When will alt season end? It's hard to tell, right? But they're saying the crypto winter could take place. I don't know, at some point, you know, late this year. But nobody really knows. It's all just a projection, right? But you know, that's why you got to watch it closely each and every day. And you know, what I generally do is, if something's going down and I'm really highly invested in it, sometimes I'll pull some out and put it into a stable coin for a little bit. I'll put it into like the DAI, the DAI, which if we go back over the charts, or like Tether. So these stable coins, you could park your dollar there, right, and it'll remain steady for you. So there's Tether. I think DAI is way down here. There's a lot of them on here that you can use in terms of stable coin. But let's see, did I pass DAI? There it is. Oh, it's actually up. Yeah, so I use this one. Actually, I'll park some money in here. And you actually earn money while you park money in there. You earn these rewards, lifetime rewards, which actually turn into money later. You get 2% back in the DAI. So here, let's pull this up. This is actually cool because not a lot of people know about what this is. So it's 24. Okay, so it's an Ethereum-based stablecoin, which is another reason why I like this one, because it's Tether. I don't think is. Don't quote me on that, but I don't think it's Ethereum-based. A lot of my tokens are Ethereum-based, hence why I use the DAI coin here. Okay, so DAI is an Ethereum-based stablecoin whose issuance and development is managed by the Maker protocol. Price of DAI is soft pegged to the U.S. dollar, and that are deposited into a smart contract vault every time the new DAI is minted, which is, you'll see when you have money in DAI, you'll see this money, not this money, but this number constantly goes up. You're constantly earning lifetime rewards as long as you have money in DAI. So for instance, if I just, let's say I'm using Coinbase, which is what I use predominantly, I'll put my $200 in there and I'll put it into DAI. if I'm not ready to buy, whatever asset it is, Cardano or Polygon or Ethereum, I'll throw the 200 in DAI, and as it's sitting there parked, I'm earning rewards until that price of Polygon gets down there to where I want to buy it, or Cardano, or whatever it is, right? So instead of just holding it in your US dollar bankroll, I hold it in the DAI coin, because why not? I'm earning 2%, right? Just holding it there. It's a no-brainer. So, and it's stable too, so it's not going to collapse. You're not going to lose that money. Okay. Now there is a chance. They do say there is a chance eventually you're going to have to, maybe down the line with Ethereum 2.0, that you'll have to take your rewards, and I'm okay with this. So I've got a decent amount of rewards built up in the DAI coin. Eventually, I might have to transfer that over into Ethereum. Okay, eventually, they do say that eventually you might have to turn that over into Ethereum, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, and it's secured by Ethereum's Ethash algorithm. It's really, really cool. Okay, it's definitely something you should look into. Okay, yeah, good stuff. Definitely good stuff on the DAI coin. You can see how stable it is, right? I mean, it'll fluctuate here and there, but it doesn't really matter. You're earning those rewards, and you're just keeping your money safe there. Okay. Let's go back out here, make sure we're not missing anything. Make sure you guys liking up the stream as you're coming in. Appreciate it. Thanks for being here. Man, I did not think I was going to go about 2 hours here on this stream, but well, time flies when you're having fun. So smash the like button if you're enjoying this. If you're having a good time, smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. 3 hours ago. Interesting. Okay. Nothing new here, but that's okay. Let's take a look at some of the trends. Guess I'll have to pull up Google Trends again. Yeah. Smash that like button if you're having a good time this morning. It's still the morning, isn't it? Yeah, 11:37. Yeah. All right. Let's pull up Google Trends, guys, real quick. Real quick here. All right, let's see what's going on here on the Google Trends. Let's fire up Shiba. Let's see. VW boy. What does that stand for? VW? Where you at? What is VW? Shiba Inu. Let's type that in. Did you mean to put WV, West Virginia? Did you just reverse that? Anthony, can you show live on crypto scenarios what the MC would be to hit 1 cent? You know what, Anthony? How about I'll take only takes a second. I'll take you up on that offer, but not during this stream, but maybe later tonight. Later tonight we can pull that up and do that, because I'm gonna have to get out of here in a little bit. And okay, still getting some good. Oh, I did Shiba Inu, guy, or Uno. I was like, why is there no search on this? That's why. That's hilarious, huh? Yeah, Mr. Fetty, be patient. That's it, brother. Okay, so they're running nice. They're running nice together. Oh, Volkswagen. Gotcha. Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it. Study with Jordan. You wrote Shiba Inu. I know. Thanks, Jordan. I found that out. Past 4 hours. Okay, let's take a. Just for the hell of it, let's take it out 30 days. Look at that. Wow. So May 10th. Look at the crazy pop. When you take this out 30 days, guys, look at this. Back down, but okay. We're okay. Still. Interesting, huh? This is pretty cool. You can scroll down. Look at this. Shiba Inu. What's going on here? Interesting. Idaho. So let's go worldwide real quick. Check this out. Very interesting. So worldwide, look at this. Russia, US, look at, I mean, this is all across the globe, guys. Argentina, Australia, India, Iran, Turkey, Ukraine. Man, look at this. It's awesome, isn't it? Look at all over Europe too. Finland. It's wild. Look at this. New Zealand. Look at South Africa down here. Brazil. This is pretty awesome, huh? Interest by region. Check this out. Canada and US. A lot of interest. India. Oh, Pakistan. Quite a bit of interest. Australia. Wow, they've got a lot of interest. Interesting. All right, let's go past 7 days and check it out, huh? On the worldwide. Netherlands home base. Yes, sir, Mark. Okay, on the 7-day, US, Canada, India is growing in that interest. Look at Australia. Australia really has a lot of interest, huh? Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, Nigeria, growing number of interest. Bulgaria, Spain, Finland. Very interesting, guys. Very cool. Romania, quite a bit of interest. Spain, France, Germany. Very interesting. Poland. UK, with a nice amount of interest there. Right? Norway. Sweden, Finland. Yeah. Russia, a little less interest in the past 7 days, which is interesting, huh? They're way down compared to the 30-day and the 7-day. But related queries. So these are like related searches, guys. Is Shiba Inu coin dead? Right? No, heck no. Will Shiba Inu reach 1 rupee? This is interesting, guys. Look at this. This is something that they're researching in India, right? This is cool. This is good to know. Why is Shiba Inu dropping? Shiba Inu coin price and INR. I'm not sure what the currency there is, INR. It's really interesting, though, right? You could get some good data here. Okay, what happens when the market cap drops into the billions? Price reduction. You know, it hasn't really dropped that much. I mean, it's what? It's 6.5, I think, right now. Oh, guys, it's dropping down. We're at our support levels right now. So if you're looking to get in, you know, we're at those 1.5 support levels that we talk about all the time. Usually this pops back up. So we'll see. This might be a good time to get in though. We did drop down in the early AM just below that support, 1493 here, see? So there were a few times we dropped below there recently, but so we're sitting right on that support line. But it's really leveling off a little bit, guys. I like this. I like this trend line so far on the 1 day. Take a look at the 7-day. Oh, INR is Indian rupee. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Kishore, come on, man. Relax with that. Shiba Army, tell your friends and family to buy in. Let the non-believers buy. Yeah, I hear you, brother. I hear you. Very interesting. Very interesting. Make sure you guys like up the stream. And this is awesome. Having fun this morning, hanging out with you. Okay, so where are we at? Still at the 156, right? Okay. We were looking at NFTs earlier. So if you're new here, Rarible is an asset that you can buy. This is interesting to say the least. We'll have to do a whole live stream on NFTs. Just talk more about those, and by the time we do that, I'll know a little bit more too. Okay, thanks everybody. New followers on Twitter, appreciate it. At @Z_Humphreys, appreciate you joining the community in more ways than one. Of course, you're joining the community here, our ecosystem right here, right? Also on YouTube. So this is awesome. Shibone is not available yet, but will be able to acquire soon. So only place to buy or sell SHIB or leash safely is on Uniswap. Uniswap is one of the best places, yeah. This is really what I'm waiting for, though, man. The NFT space. So many great things are going to come out of this. So many great things, guys. This is one that I've been talking about, I think, on stream for a little bit. This is an idea that I love. It's number 70 in market cap right now. I'm watching it closely, guys. Decentraland. This virtual world. Buying up digital property, digital real estate. Super, super interesting idea. You know, I might be getting close to opening up a position on here. I will let you know if and when I do open a position. Okay, I will let you know if I open up a position at Decentraland. This is just a really interesting idea. I love the idea. Just kind of watching it right now. I always like to watch and observe before I buy, at least for like, you know, three weeks up to a month. Once I start to like something, then I try to watch it really closely for a month just to kind of see, right? So yeah, it's down right now too. So this is interesting. I like the idea here. The volume's been down though. That's my only worry. But see, way back in April, volume was way up. This is when I started getting interested in it. But yeah, I'm going to continue to look at this Decentraland though. Super interesting, super fascinating. Okay. Armand, Zach, give us the chats and gems. Mark with the, yeah, dynamic duo. Yeah, man. Armando, you're part of that too, Armand. You're part of that too, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here, man. This is awesome. This is great, guys. Okay, we're gonna get out of here in just a few minutes. But thanks so much, guys, for joining the stream this morning. It's been awesome. Had a great stream last night, and nice stream this morning. Getting some good news for Shiba Inu today. Still waiting on ShibaSwap news, but maybe we get something tonight when we go back on stream later tonight. Oh, this is a nice plugin for you guys too. If you guys are interested in like data sets, keywords everywhere, really cool plugin. You can put this in with Google Chrome, right? Keywords everywhere, gives you stats, gives you all kind of data and analytics in terms of what people are searching. It's really, really beneficial when you're going in to buy assets, okay? Or creating content too, things like that. Look at the spike for Shiba Inu. Look at this. Woo! It's like people were interested in it, kind of, not really, kind of. Whoa. Pretty sweet. Okay, let's see here. Let's sort by date, make sure we're not missing anything. Michael, cheers to you, brother. Cheers to you. Uh-oh. Guys, we got another one. Newsweek. This is out of India, I believe, too. Okay, let's check this out real quick before we head out. Let's check this out. Okay, burning crypto explains why trillions of Shiba Inu coins vanished by Ethereum co-founder. Okay, interesting. I'm pretty sure. Okay, no, Newsweek. This is U.S. based, right? Okay. So another new article, guys, talking about Vitalik. Okay, just 8 minutes ago, Newsweek, big name, popular press coming out with some insight. Let's see. Anything new here? No, we know this. Burn 90% of a SHIB. We know that. Any news on the remaining 10%? I wonder. Let's see. Burning a token means to purposely take the token out of circulation, often by sending it to a cryptocurrency wallet to which no one has access. So that's the whole idea of burning. There's no longer access to it. Okay. It's similar to stock repurchasing to the world of traditional finance. That's a good way to look at it. Good analogy. Okay, I don't want to be. Okay, we saw these quotes. Value of Shiba Inu tokens around 6.3 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Okay, co-founder of blockchain. Okay, nothing new. So everything we knew, but still a new article out from Newsweek. So that's great, huh? That's great. Okay, guys. United in Shiba we stand. I love it, Armand. Okay, guys, I am going to head out of here. This has been a lot of fun this morning, hanging out with you guys. Samuel, thank you. Welcome, welcome. Ritsky, see you on top, guys. Just hold and see. Love it, guys. Make sure you like up the stream. Oh, nice. Got up over 200. That's pretty good for a morning stream, right? Shoot, if you'd asked me that 2 weeks ago, I said, have been unbelievable, right? And it still is. I can't believe how much we've grown. So on your way out, smash the like button. Can't believe it, guys. In just a week's time, how much we've grown in this community. And it's all thanks to you. I am super grateful. I try to stay very humble, and really, guys, without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you. I'm learning from you. Hopefully you're learning a little bit from me, and we're growing a community that is going to grow together. So we'll continue to talk about all things crypto, all things growing in all facets of life. That's what it's all about. So go back, and if you would, go back on my channel and check out some of my older videos. Give me some feedback on there. Do you like that style? I do some like sit down stuff, talk about some books that I like, some different ideas that I have out there, ways to save money, kind of what got me into investing. Also about communication skills. So, give me some feedback on those older videos. And when I say older, they're like 3-4 months, ago. So if you would, that'd be great. I'd love to hear your thoughts on those and get some feedback. So have a good rest of your Monday. Have a good rest of your day, and follow along on Twitter. It's at @Z_Humphreys, and make sure you know when we're going to go live next. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when we put out a new video. I talk a lot about ADA as well as Polygon. I'm going to be working on a video for Polygon in particular. I don't know when exactly it'll be out, but be on the lookout for that. So, all right, guys, it's been fun. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Thanks again, Mark. Appreciate it.